everyone, welcome back. It's really good to see you here again. I'm Mia.
And I'm Daniel. Thanks for joining us. We're happy you're here.
Today's topic is something many learners ask us about all the time.
Yes, every week we get comments like, I know English in my head, but when I speak, I get slow. Or, words don't come out fast enough. Or, my mouth freezes.
We hear these comments from beginners, intermediate learners, even advanced learners. Speaking fast and smoothly is difficult for everyone at some point.
So today, we'll help you fix that. And we're not just teaching theory. We're teaching real, practical habits. Things you can do right after this episode.
And we'll share 10 powerful tips that train your mouth and your brain to work together so you can speak English faster, smoother, and more naturally.
And don't worry, we'll explain everything in clear, simple English. You can follow every part without stress.
All right, let's get started. Tip 1. Warm up your mouth like an athlete.
This is something almost nobody talks about. Warm up your mouth. Your lips, your tongue, your cheeks, they are muscles. And like any muscle, they get slow when they're cold.
Yes, a lot of students try to start speaking English immediately, but their mouth is stiff, their tongue moves slowly, then everything feels stuck.
So before speaking, spend 1 to 2 minutes warming your mouth. Here's a simple warm-up. Say pa-pa-pa, ta-ta-ta, ka-ka-ka. Repeat it a few times.
Or try red leather, yellow leather. Slowly, then a little faster. Your mouth becomes awake and ready.
You will feel silly at first, but it works. And when your mouth is warm, speaking becomes clearer and faster.
Tip 2. Start with short sentences.
This one is important. Many students try to speak long sentences and they freeze. Long sentences are harder to control.
Yes, think about lifting weights. If you start with something too heavy, you hurt yourself. If you start small, you grow stronger.
The same with English. Start with simple, short sentences. Like, I'm fine today. I woke up early. I went to work. I made breakfast.
When your mouth and brain move together with short sentences, you build confidence. Later, you naturally make longer sentences. Speaking fast comes from comfort, not pressure. Tip 3. Train your mouth with easy repetition.
Repetition is one of the strongest tools for fluency. Not repetition of grammar rules. Repetition of real sentences.
Yes, when you repeat a sentence many times, your mouth learns the movement. It becomes automatic. Think about when you learned to ride a bike. At first, you used effort. Later, your body remembered. Same with speaking.
Choose one simple sentence a day and repeat it 20 to 30 times. For example, I didn't have time today. I don't know yet. That sounds good to me.
After repetition, you don't think anymore. The words just come out. Tip 4. Don't translate in your head.
This is a big mistake many students make. They think in their first language, translate in their mind, and then speak in English. That makes everything slow.
Yes, translation is like having two roads when you only need one. It creates traffic in your brain.
Instead, train yourself to think directly in short English phrases. For example, instead of thinking, I am feeling tired today, in your language, think directly, I'm tired today.
Direct thinking reduces pressure and increases speed. Tip 5. Use easy connectors to keep speaking.
If you want to speak faster, you need connectors. Short, simple words that help your brain continue speaking.
The most useful ones are and, but, so, then, because.
Watch this example. I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work. Short, correct, but slow.
Now, add connectors. I woke up and I ate breakfast, then I went to work. It flows. It feels natural.
Connectors make your sentences longer without making your brain tired.
Tip 6. Shadowing. Copy what you hear. Shadowing is one of my favorite tips. It's very simple. You listen to someone speak and you speak at the same time.
It feels strange at first, but it teaches your mouth to copy the rhythm of English.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to follow the sound patterns. You are training your brain to speak automatically.
Even 1 minute of shadowing a day can make a big difference.
Tip 7. Stop worrying about mistakes. The fear of mistakes slows people down more than anything. When you worry, your brain blocks your mouth.
Yes. You think, is this grammar right? Is my pronunciation good? What if I sound strange?
But the truth is, every learner makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes are normal.
When you stop caring about being perfect, you speak faster and with more confidence.
Tip 8. Practice speaking without planning. Many students plan every sentence in their head before speaking, but life doesn't work like that.
Yes, natural conversations move fast. You don't have time to plan.
So try this. Choose a topic, set a timer for 1 minute, and just speak freely. No preparation.
You will be surprised. Even if you pause or say something wrong, your fluency grows.
Tip 9. Listen to slow, clear English every day. Listening builds fluency because your brain learns the rhythm, tone, and patterns of real English.
And listening helps you speak faster because you hear common phrases again and again.
You don't need to listen to complicated podcasts. Simple, clear English is enough.
5 to 10 minutes a day is perfect.
Tip 10. Celebrate small improvements. This final tip sounds simple, but it changes everything. Celebrate progress, even small progress.
Many students only notice their mistakes. They forget how much they're improving.
But when you say, "Today I spoke 1 minute without stopping," or "Today I understood a new phrase," your brain gets motivated.
Motivation creates speed. Confidence creates fluency.
Let's give them a real example. Let's pretend I'm practicing with you.
Sure. Start with a short sentence. Tip number 2.
I woke up early today.
Good. Now repeat it 3 times. Tip number 3.
I woke up early today. I woke up early today. I woke up early today.
Great. Now add a connector.
I woke up early today and I went for a small walk.
Good. No translation. Direct thinking.
Right. I'm not thinking in my language, I'm thinking the English idea.
Now try speaking for 30 seconds without planning.
Okay. I woke up early today and I made some tea. I sat near my window because the weather was nice. Then I checked my messages and I listened to some music. It felt peaceful.
That was smooth. No big pauses. That's exactly what fluent speaking feels like.
I want to say something from the heart. If you feel slow, if you feel stuck, it's okay. Everyone who learns English feels that way.
Yes, you are not behind. You are learning. Speed comes with time, and you're already doing the work.
And remember, fluency isn't about speaking perfectly. It's about speaking comfortably.
You're growing, you're improving, and we're proud of you.
We shared 10 powerful tips today, and if you use even 2 or 3 of them every day, your fluency will grow faster than you imagine.
Try warm-ups. Try shadowing. Try speaking without planning. Try short sentences. These small habits add up.
And be patient with yourself. You're building a new skill, and that takes time.
Keep practicing, keep showing up. Your mouth and your brain will get faster and faster.
Thank you for spending time with us today. You're doing great.
Take care, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.